Welcome to today's art mindfulness practice video. In this video, we're going to be painting leaves and using this practice to help us relax, focus our minds, and be present in the moment. So grab your paints, brushes, and paper, and let's get started. Now let's start painting our leaves. Begin by selecting a few colors that you feel drawn to. You can choose any colors you like. Just pick them out however you feel for the day. It doesn't really matter whether they're the correct colors or not. It's all about just going with what you feel. Once you have your colors, start by painting the leaves out in a gentle and just haphazard way, however you feel, just kind of doing some circles. Notice the way the paint moves on the paper, the way the colors blend together, and let go of any judgments, expectations, and simply enjoy the act of painting. Painting this should be super relaxing and easy to do. So all you need to do is just go in and grab those colors, add as much water or as little as you like. My first leaf I added a little bit too little water, I think. So I went in again over that. But I'm just doing some really soft and gentle leaves. Kind of art practice that can be done without doing a drawing. It's all about going in slowly and watching how the paint moves on the canvas or the paper that you're using. For the second leaf, I've gone in with a slightly different color. So I've changed it up for all the leaves so they're not all the same color. I find that to give a little bit more dimension to your paintings, and it adds a little bit more interest. So just going slowly. And I'm not thinking too much about the actual shape of leaves, and you'll see each one is a little bit different. It just adds a little whimsical feel to this painting. and it is just for relaxing, and essentially they are just blobs. So using these different colors, I've made a purple up by mixing phthalo blue, green shade, and a permanent red. So it does give a really nice, deep and moody purple. It's one of my favorite mixes. And I did also add a little bit of Winsor Newton dioxine violet to the mix just to brighten it up. And then for the rest of them, they are Daniel Smith, permanent red, and phthalo blue, green shade. I really enjoy how these colors blend together. They give a really nice soft feel. It's also a really nice practice to practice your techniques, to see how the paint reacts with the colors and how it reacts with the paper. Adding more water or adding less water, you'll get a feel for how the colors and the shades and the water and everything work together. And that is the beauty of watercolor. It's just a relaxing and flow-free medium to use. Once I've painted in all my leaves, I now have the paper dry. I've left it on the side to dry a little bit. I've also done some splatters all over the page, and this adds also a little bit of dimension and whimsical feel to the artwork. Well, not really artwork, but practice. And now I'm going in with my fine liner pen, and I'm just going to draw a curvy line down the middle and then up into these leaves, and then I'm just going to sketch out the veins of the leaves. So this is also a really good doodle practice, and anyone can do it. It's abstract, it's easy, it's free flow. You don't have to think. It's not a real thing, and it's just putting pen to paper. The whole point is just to feel it out and relax. Down the middle, I also thickened out the stems a little bit, adding a little bit of a thickness towards the base of each stem. So if you want to add a little bit of dimension to your drawings or paintings, you can do this too. You can sketch it out, you can draw it however you like. Just add your own signature style into it, or copy this one if you want to, I don't mind. You can draw in as many details as you want. You can also find some reference on the internet to help you along if you like. Pinterest is a good place to start because you can look at other people's drawings and then you can try and get the same feel. If you're working on creating your own art style, that's a nice way to get to feel what you would like to paint or draw. I hope that this practice today really helped you. I hope that it helped you get into a flow or some sort of flow with getting paint onto paper and getting a creative spark for the day. Don't forget to watch more videos. I have a lot more on this channel that will help you out with drawing and painting and sketching and color mixing. So watch this video next. Do subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate you for watching this far. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.